Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. A Red Red Rose by Robert Burns. A Red Red Rose is a famous love poem by Robert Burns written in 1794. It expresses deep and eternal love using simple yet powerful imagery. Okay. Stanza 1 1 lines to 4. Oh, my love is like a rare red rose that is newly sprung in June. Oh, my love is like the melody that is sweetly played in tune. The speaker compares his love to a freshly bloomed red rose, symbolizing beauty and passion. He also compares it to a melody emphasizing harmony and sweetness. Okay. Stanza 2, lines 5 to 8. So fair art thou, my bonny lass, so deep in love am I, and I will love thee still, my dear, till the seas gang dry. The speaker phrases his bonny lass, beautiful girl. Okay, he declares that he will love her until the seas dry up, an exaggeration showing eternal love. Okay, stanza 3, lines 9 to 12. Till the seas gang dry, my dear, and the rocks melt away the sun. I will love thee still, my dear, while the sands o' life shall run. The poet repeats the idea that his love will last forever, even if impossible things happen, such as drying, rocks melting. Sands o' life refers to an hourglass, meaning he will love her until the end of time. Stanza 4, lines 13 to 16. And fair thee will my only love, and fair thee will a while, and I will come again, my love, though it were 10,000 miles. The poem ends with farewell, suggesting the poet is leaving. It promises to return no matter how far he must travel. Okay, themes and literary devices. Themes of eternal love. The poet expresses deep, undying love, lasting beyond time and distance. Imagery and smiles. My love is like a red rose, symbol of passion and beauty. Okay, my love is like a melody. Love is sweet and harmonious. Hyperbole, exaggeration. Till the seas gang dry, impossible event, everlasting love. Repetition. Till the seas gang dry, my dear, emphasizing infinity and devotion. Okay. Then A Red Rose is a romantic poem filled with imagery, music, and deep emotion. Okay. It remains one of the most famous love poems in English literature. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video.